Hello, sixth graders, my sixth grade innovators. This is Mr. Chamberlain with another video reviewing what we learned about for Silhouette Studio. You remember last time we worked on centering things, on changing the font and the size and drawing shapes and adding wingdings. This time I'm going to review with you something that we already talked about, and that is moving and twisting around the different fonts and words that you write. So I'm going to pick, I don't know, this one looks pretty good. I'm going to write Mr. Chamberlain is cool. When I write it, you'll notice that there's this little compass on the side. I can click away from it, and I can still get back into it if I double click, as long as I'm in the select view. So I got it here. You already probably could have guessed that I can move it around, but as I showed us last week, you can actually get it to twist around and sort of bend the shape. So to do that, I need a shape. Let's start with a circle. Circle would work really well. I'm going to choose a circle, and I'm going to go back to my design view, and by clicking on it, I've now got my little compass. If I take the compass and I get it close enough to the edge, I can move it around, and now I've got a cool little blending of it. I can even move it inside this and get it around there. So I really like this. Let's say that I wanted to keep this shape, but I didn't want the circle as a part of it. If I tried to get rid of the circle, I would get rid of the way this was locked in. So I'm going to show you how to keep it there. I'm going to choose a rectangle this time and make it look kind of 3D-ish. I'm going to take it. That's not very exciting, but I could do this. Let me do it like, get it right. What might look cool? That's probably too long. Let's go with this. That looks kind of cool. I can stretch this box out too to make it fit in there better. Maybe if I go like this, squeeze it down a little bit. Yeah, I like the way this looks, even though it's kind of weird. I want to keep this here. If I try to delete my shape, it's going to go away. So instead, now on my words, if I right click it, again, if I go and click on it and I right click it, it says convert to path. That means when I click it that this is going to stay in this spot no matter what. So now when I delete my little square, it stays in place, and I can even move it around too, and I can twist it like before, the other stuff that we know. Maybe it's not big enough. I can manipulate it really, really easily. So that's just a cool way to mess with the text and the location of it, and give it a try if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.